Hello students, in this video you will learn about ozonolysis. So what is ozonolysis? The addition of ozone to alkane. It is a most important property of alkane. So what is the reaction of ozonolysis? Take any alkane. This is your alkane. It's react with ozone, means O3, water molecule and zinc. It form two carbonyl compound. So it is your aldehyde. Second is it is your formaldehyde. It form aldehyde or formaldehyde. So next is study mechanism of ozonolysis. Mechanism. First step in the mechanism of ozonolysis, first step is formation of ozonide. First step, alkene CH2. Okay, the bond is break here. It's react with ozone, means O3. It is your ozone. The valency of oxygen is 2, but in case of this oxygen the valency is 3. That's why it carries positive charge, and in this case this oxygen valency is 1. So valency is not satisfied. That's why it carries negative charge. Okay, the bond break here, and this oxygen it's carrying negative charge. Positive, negative, the oxygen is neutralized. Okay, this oxygen is neutral in this case. Okay, next it form R. It form R CH2. Okay, it is your oxygen. This is your okay. It form this compound. This is your molozonite. It is very unstable. Why? Because the 3 oxygen is very close oxygen present in this, so all oxygen carries lone pair, and because of this the repulsion is take place and compound is very unstable. That's why this compound break bond here, and also this bond also break. This bond is non-polar bond. That's why this oxygen carries positive charge and this oxygen carries negative charge. So it forms RCH. This bond back here. That's why O minus, plus second compound is CH2O plus. Okay, so or also this is also write like this, H C double bond O H. Okay, so in case of formaldehyde this bond is break here and form partial positive charge on carbon and partial negative charge on oxygen. So this positive charge attack on negative charge of this compound, and this negative charge attack on positive charge of this compound. So it form at CH. Okay, this negative bond, sorry, how, yes, this oxygen attack on this carbon, so that's why this is your oxygen, this is your CH2. Okay, this is your formaldehyde compound, this is your oxygen, 2 oxygen, and it form ozonoid, then this ozonoid is react with water and zinc, the bond is broken here and form C double bond O H plus H C double bond O H, and this oxygen, this neutral oxygen is react with water and form H2O2. So what is role of water in ozonolysis reaction? The water is remove oxygen from ozonolysis reaction. Next is zinc. So what is role of zinc in ozonolysis reaction? The H2O2. The H2O2 is mild oxidizing agent. So this oxidizing agent is oxidize aldehyde and form acid. So in case of ozonolysis reaction, zinc is act as an reducing agent. So zinc is reduce H2O2, zinc is reduce H2O2 and form zinc oxide and water, zinc oxide and water. Next part is different example of ozonolysis. So first we will take any alkane. So this is your alkane, CH3, CH3 double bond CH, CH3. Okay, so when this alkane is react with ozone in presence of H2O and zinc, it break double bond, one oxygen goes here, one oxygen goes here and form CH3, C double bond O, CH3. It is your ketone. Next is your H, C double bond O. It is your aldehyde, form aldehyde. Sorry. It is your acetaldehyde and it is your acetone. So, in case of this reaction, only O3 is present on bond. So it form CH3, CH3, CH. Okay. So in case of only O3 is present, O3 and water is present in this reaction. The zinc is not present. So it forms CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus H, C double bond O, and it is your CH3. Okay. In this case, it forms this nascent this extra oxygen is react with water molecule and form H2O2. So it is your mild oxidizing agent. It oxidizes aldehyde and form acid. This oxygen goes on this oxygen react with aldehyde and form C double bond O OH CH3 and form acid. But in case of zinc is present in your reaction, then no acid is formed, only 2 carbonyl compound is formed in ozonolysis reaction. Thank you.